guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, I'm Bertil. I'm currently living in Japan studying at Kansai Gaidai University, and today I thought I'd bring you along for a regular but kind of emotional day in my life as a student here in Japan. Good morning, or well, afternoon. I slept in a bit since today's class doesn't start until 3 p.m. Honestly, days like these feel like a small luxury. Once I finally got up, I decided to do a quick room reset, changed my sheets, vacuumed the floor, wiped everything down. At UE, where I live, we get fresh sheets every 2 weeks, which is one of those small things that make life way easier. After that, I showered and got ready for the day. Nothing too exciting, but I always feel better once I've cleaned my space. I was planning on making breakfast, but I was already running late a little bit, so I only had time to grab an onigiri at 7-Eleven on campus and an iced latte. Lifesaver.
Anyway, it is intentional.
Today's class was actually my favorite one, videography. It's a class I've looked forward to every single week. And I did not realize until I was walking out that it was my last class ever. Like ever. No more lectures, no more assignments, just my master's thesis, and that's it. I've got about 10 days left in Japan, and this does not feel real. Like, where did the time go? To cheer myself up, I finally booked my flight to Seoul, something that's been on my bucket list like forever. Feels good to have that to look forward to. With time running out, I remembered I still haven't done half the things on my Japan to-do list. One of them being writing postcards to friends and family. Before heading out to find some, I made a quick snack, scrambled eggs. I hadn't eaten much all day. Then I headed out to Hirakata Mall, which is approximately a 20-minute walk away from where I live, and also just to get out for a bit. It's weird how normal errands start to feel more meaningful when you're about to leave a place. While I was there, I passed by the phone shop I signed my contract with and remembered, yep, I still have to cancel that before I leave. Turns out you can only terminate it in person and on the day, so that's gonna be a last minute task. Went to Daiso to get the postcards, but no luck. Most of the other shops were already closing too, so I headed back home, but not before grabbing a dessert from 7-Eleven because priorities. Back at home, I realized I had some minced meat that was about to expire, so I did a bit of food prep. I already had dinner for today ready, so I made a quick bolognese to save for later in the week.
Is it like three up couple noodles? Because I think everyone would have chose the one closer. Yes, for sure. Thank you.
But now it was already about 9:30 p.m., so I just chilled, made myself a bowl, threw on some anime, and just let myself relax. Honestly, it was a quiet, ordinary day, but in a way, it was also kind of special. So yeah, that was a day in my life at Kansai Gaidai, one of the last ones I'll have here. It's a weird feeling, this chapter is closing, but I know the next one's just around the corner. Thanks for coming along with me today. If you're studying abroad or thinking about it, soak it all in. Time moves really fast. If you enjoyed this, feel free to like, subscribe, or drop a comment if you have any questions as well. I'd love to know where you're watching from or if you ever studied abroad too. So, see you in the next one. Maybe in Seoul. Bye.